Hi, I'm Dolores with Board Insiders, and today we're doing a flex test on CAPiTA Birds of a Feather. This board is a 144. It's positive camber in the middle. It's zero camber underfoot. There's early rise at the contact points out here, and then lapel on the ends. Lapel!
Board Insiders. Real riders, real reviews.
Alrighty. So I am putting minimal effort into flexing this board like this. If I put more effort into it, it starts to really, where it has that early rise, it almost makes it kind of stable on the tip and tail, so you can kind of go and then just hold it out there, which is cool. I dig it. Usually I would be falling over. Torsional flex. Roasted. Roasted beer? Oh.
Might as well just bring it in here.
I thought that said roasted garlic focaccia, and I was like, oh, that sounds dank. Okay, so torsional flex. I would say it's like average, not super soft, not super stiff. Just kind of right in the middle, which is good. I dig it. And then for max flex, yeah, right about there. I definitely like the way this board feels. Pretty solid. What? Yeah, definitely. And I wonder if it's because it has that early rise kind of in the tip, so it lets you. Yeah.
For the latest snowboard reviews, check out boardinsiders.com.